Great morning to all of you and welcome for this summit. It's a great, on behalf of CII Telangana and my personal behalf, I welcome all of you for the 5th edition of CII TG-PackCON 2025. So this year's summit focuses on economic growth driven by the three pillars that are shaping India's future: food and agriculture, pharma and life sciences, and technology, electronics, services, FMCG and CPG. This edition promises to be deeply insightful with 2 days of meaningful deliberations, sharing of best practices, and learning that will inspire innovation and collaboration across industries. Friends, the global packaging industry is transforming rapidly, emerging as a strategic partner in innovation and sustainability. In India, packaging has become one of the fastest growing sectors, fueled by the rising demand from consumer-driven industries such as food, personal care, pharma, and technology-enabled products. With rising incomes, evolving lifestyles, and growing digital penetration, even in rural markets, the need for efficient, safe, and sustainable packaging is greater than ever before. Packaging today is not just about protecting a product, it is about enhancing the value, ensuring safety, and enabling market access across sectors. In fact, I have to congratulate Mr. AVS Chakravarti Garu for conducting this program single-handedly, and it is a very unique program which is taken up by CII. As we come together for this event, let us explore how packaging can serve as a catalyst for economic growth, innovation, and sustainability, strengthening each of the three pillars that define India's future. So we are privileged to have among us industry leaders, policy makers, and experts who will share with their insights and experiences, helping us collectively shaping a more competitive and sustainable ecosystem. Before closing my welcome remarks, I once again congratulate Mr. AVPS Chakravarti Garu for taking up this initiative single-handedly, and I thank him a lot for conducting this program at a short notice. I wish the summit great success, and I will once again warmly welcome all of you to this program, CII TG-PackCON 2025. Thank you.